Hello friends, this is Yuthika and welcome once again to yutiarts. I'm really excited for today's painting as I'm gonna do this kind of painting for the first time, and as you all know, Saraswati Puja is on its way. So I'm gonna try really hard to depict Goddess Saraswati in an abstract way. So let's hope the painting turns out good. So why wait? Let's start. As you can see, I have sketched the outline of the painting on my canvas. Now I am filling the color in the required places and will do the shading part later on. I am now painting the borders with a little darker shade of the same color. a bit of shading in some parts of the painting, which I'm doing now, and the remaining shading part will be done later on as we go on. As I said earlier, color wheel is very important while we are painting. Green is a complementary color of red and orange. But since we have many colors in our painting, it's not exactly the complementary color, but I found that green color might complement the painting, so I have used different shades of green to color the white portion of the canvas. We have completed the basic part of the painting, that is to paint the solid colors. Now we'll quickly jump to the detailing part. The detailing part is complete. Now we'll be highlighting the painting. I will be highlighting by using titanium white color, which will enhance the painting further. We have finally completed the painting. Hope you liked my effort as well as the painting. If yes, hit the like button, and you can also give your opinion in the comment section below. Also subscribe yutiarts if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in the next painting. Till then, bye bye.